Hi, I'm Pastor Sarah, aka Disorganized.Religion on TikTok, where I have over 140,000 followers as of today. And I'm here to share one of my secrets to creating viral content on TikTok. Today, we're going to talk about dialogue and characters.
Is this where I come in?
Yeah, Dialog is a device that can increase your views and help you respond to modern day issues without being preachy.
What do you mean preachy?
I mean, monologues can sound like lectures, and most people don't want a lecture on TikTok. Dialogue can be so much more fun and engaging.
Don't all those costumes get expensive though?
Most of the unique clothing you see in my videos comes from the church costume closet. I did spend $20 on a Karen wig, but you don't even need that. Some folks just put on a hat or a different shirt.
Are there any pitfalls?
Absolutely. Be careful not to stereotype folks or play characters that aren't a part of your heritage.
Any other advantages to dialogue?
Well, sometimes you can say things
That may be controversial if you said them while dressed in your pastor robe?
totally.
Like how I asked, why don't you baptize dogs? Or how I said the King James Bible is a Bible of unicorns and ass?
Indeed.
But aren't all of these characters you?
They're all played by me, but they don't represent my views per se.
I feel like you're talking about me.
I will admit, Karen, that using your character in particular is a shortcut to telling Gen Z folks which opinion or action in the sketch is problematic, which opinion aligns with upper class, entitled, racist, passive-aggressive.
We get it, and listen, I've grown.
Oh, totally. If you develop characters over time, they can have a story arc and even some redemption, and folks may end up following you to watch their story unfold.
Do characters always stick to the scripts?
They start there, but I would invite you to try some improv or ad-libbing at the end of your dialogue. Sometimes I say things in characters that surprise me, things I never would have come up with otherwise, and those one-liners can end up being a super hilarious part of your video.
Any other tips?
Don't always make yourself the hero in the sketch, especially if you're clergy. It's important that you demonstrate being wrong some of the time. You admitting that you're wrong and learning from your characters is great modeling, and it reminds folks that this person that they look up to also makes mistakes.
Also, don't be afraid to be ridiculous.
Good luck, everyone. Be sure to like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more tips.